Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix a trunk latch on a Nissan Sentra. First, let's start by thoroughly inspecting the latch area. Look for any debris, loose items, or anything that might be physically blocking the mechanism. Also, gently test the emergency release handle inside the trunk to see if it moves freely. Make sure the trunk lid itself is sitting correctly and aligned with the car's body before proceeding. Now, let's try some lubrication. Grab a silicone-based lubricant spray and apply a generous amount directly onto the moving parts of the trunk latch mechanism. Work the latch open and closed a few times to help the lubricant penetrate. If the trunk still isn't closing right, you might need to slightly adjust the striker plate on the trunk floor. Often, a small adjustment can make a big difference. Next, we'll examine the trunk release cable. This cable connects your interior release lever to the latch. Carefully locate it, usually running along the trunk lid or inside the trim. Look closely for any kinks, fraying, or obvious damage that could prevent it from pulling correctly. Also, confirm that both ends of the cable are firmly attached to their respective connection points. A loose connection is a common culprit. Finally, it's time to test your work. Close the trunk gently and then try opening it using the interior release lever. Repeat this process several times to ensure consistent operation. The trunk should open smoothly and close securely with just a gentle push, without needing excessive force. If everything works well, you've successfully fixed your Nissan Sentra's trunk latch using these easy methods.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.